Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in commodities sentiment at plus 0.38, with momentum skyrocketing to plus 0.89. This isn't just a routine fluctuation, it indicates a significant shift in market dynamics. The last time we recorded momentum this high, the sentiment score was much lower, suggesting that positive sentiment is gaining traction rapidly. Our API returns real-time sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters, to help you understand the underlying themes driving this momentum. For instance, you could leverage this data to optimize your commodity trading strategies, enabling you to capitalize on the current bullish sentiment before it normalizes. Dive into the details and see how you can integrate this into your workflow at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.